Dial, 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 send.
Hello?
Hermione,
Yeah?
it's Harry.
Oh, hi, Harry.
Hi, how's it going, baby?
What?
I've loved you ever since I saw you at Hogwarts, first day. God, I love you so much.
I'm sorry, but my heart belongs to Ron.
Hello, everybody.
Hi, Ron.
Oh, for the love of Hagrid!
All right, well, bye, Harry. I have to go make up with Ron.
Oh.
Get over it, you wimp.
Oh! I never had a chance.